loosen the bolt under the bike. Make sure you use the proper tools for this. And make sure you have a tray underneath so the oil doesn't spill out and make a mess on the floor. Another quick tip is make sure you run the bike a few kilometers so that when you loosen the bolt, the oil comes out really quick as the engine has warmed up the oil, or else it might take a few minutes or it might take long for the oil to drain out. Now this is how the bolt must be put back in. Now wipe it off with a cloth and tighten the bolt, and make sure that you don't over tight the bolt as the threads may come off. Now to change the oil filter, you're supposed to remove these bolts, loosen them up, now take off the cap and you can see the oil filter. Pull the oil filter out. Make sure you lay something down like a newspaper or a old cloth, so the oil, when the oil spills out, it doesn't drop on the floor. Now clean the place using a cloth. Now take the new oil filter, put it in where it goes and tighten the bolts. Make sure you clean the cap also. Make sure that this cover and the bolt underneath are firmly secured before pouring in the oil. Now for pouring in the oil, you are supposed to take a plier and loosen this bolt over here. And make sure you use a funnel so that the oil doesn't spill everywhere. Now take the oil and pour it in. Once you pour the oil in, make sure that the oil has gone down the funnel, and then put the cap back on and firmly secure it. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. See you again.